What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm looking at the gun cleaner that I can use for my gun. I already have this rim oil like this, and this is the oil that I basically use to all of my guns collection, and it's a good lubricant that I use. I highly recommend you guys use this one. This Hoppe's 9. A lot of people are using this. This is also a good gun bore cleaner. The CLP, I never use this kind of cleaner, but this one is a good cleaner too. The Gun Master, I never tried this one. This one is an ultra power blast gun cleaner, so it blasts away the grease and the fouling and oil build up in your bore of your gun barrel and some of the other gun parts. Just use this spray, this side one nozzle, put it there, and it's a good cleaner as well. So this one, it costs $9.97, while the rim oil, it costs $8.92. I highly recommend you guys also get this kind of bore narrow. This is for the rifle, if you guys have rifle. So you can use this for your rifle as well. These are the cleaner accessory that you can add for your gun cleaner. So I have also that one, similar to that, but I have the kit. I can show you to my next video my gun cleaner. And you need the wipes as well, like that rim oil wipe is a good wipes that you can use for your gun as well. I basically get a cotton like this, a cleaning pots. This one you can use your old clothes and cut it instead of buying like this, but this one, it costs $7 for 8 to 150 patches. But if you guys an old cotton clothes, you can just cut it and use as cleaning patches as well, to save you $7 for 8. So that's what I basically do. I have a similar like this type of super deluxe 62 pieces universal gun cleaner. I have this type of gun cleaning kit. I'm showing you guys for my next video. I have a complete set that I can use it for my pistol, and then for my for my rifle. So it's a good gun cleaner kit as well. So if you guys are getting a gun cleaner kit, you can buy it from Walmart. Look at the pricing. All of the price here are all reasonable price that you can buy. You will not get wrong. See, look at the pricing right there. Okay. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now.